Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set called Beauty and Joy. It is a fall themed stamp set, but it also has Christmas type images and Christmassy sentiments. So I'm starting off with the sentiment, and I have inked up So Thankful with daffodil ink. And I'm daubing on pumpkin pie and real red right on the stamp. And then with a very tiny, it's about a 2-inch strip, 2-inch by, I don't know, half an inch strip, I have a multicolored sentiment. So I'm going with the multicolor theme, and I have the leaves image, and I've inked that up with daffodil ink, daubed on pumpkin pie and real red. I have the sentiment piece there for placement. And now I've just used my stamping pierce mat actually for stamping on. Here I have soft suede ink. And this is smoky slate, and I've daubed on balmy blue on the corner of the pot. And stamp that down. Now I have a little bit of adhesive on the back of that card front piece. I'm using some linen thread. This happens to be my favorite ribbon, by the way. I just love it. And I've wrapped it around the card 3 times and trying to do a twist in the middle. And I fuss with it a little bit, but I finally get to where I want it. And then I just put a little bit of adhesive or just tack the end down, trim it off, and there you go. So now I'm going to put this on some real red cardstock. So this is a lovely matte that's just slightly bigger than the card front piece. And I matted that nicely. Now I'm putting dimensionals on the back of that sentiment strip, fanning out that linen thread so everything gets glued down appropriately. And then I will adhere this whole thing to the card. Now you could stop there if you wanted. I decided to take it just a little bit further, and I stamped the leaves once more. So I inked it up with Daffodil Delight, then daubed on some pumpkin pie, and then daubed on a little of the real red. And then once I stamped that piece, I got to fussy cut it out. And I fussy cut the fussy cutting out of this video. Aren't you thankful? So thankful that you don't have to watch me fussy cutting. I know a lot of people don't like fussy cutting. I actually really like it. So it relaxes me. I also have a profession where I use a pair of shears. So it's kind of goes hand in hand. And I'm just using either dimensionals or a little dot of Tombow glue to attach these little bits and pieces. Basically, I wanted to make it look like the tree, well, like the trees are right now. Kind of still holding on a little bit, but they're losing it. And they're not looking as trimmed and proper as perhaps we would like them to look. I do love the colors for fall, even though everything's dying. It's kind of morbid actually, but I do love it. I look outside my window and there's these great big deciduous trees just outside my window, and it's lovely to look at this time of year. All right, the last one I think I'm going to put right there. Oh, and I end up doing a few more actually because I don't know when to stop. I was really having fun. I thought that it would look good if there was a leaf in the pot, and then I don't know, I wanted to make the tree look like it needed a little trim. That is my card for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.